Just in a very basic definition, an ally, one that stands up for or supports another person or group of persons. So I'm sure just by that definition alone that you can relate to having been an ally to someone or something at some stage in your life. I know I have, and I can think of many examples. But so an ally and to First Nations people is being supportive of our causes, our struggles, playing the part. And we always talk about reconciliation, that everyone has a role to play.
That's right. And for me as a non-Indigenous person, it is as an ally, and it's a lifelong journey, learning from my mistakes. We give key tips for being an ally. And in fact, one program that the most recent program we've developed is actually an accreditation program for allies. And we launched that late last year, and we've got over 150 or something
allies now.
And that program, they go much deeper into those 7 steps, the competencies. And then there's a deeper pathway for those people, Aunty Munya, and people have been pretty proud. Ally here, we've got here with their certificate of completion. So in closing, Aunty Munya, we like to say,
in Yidigal Gona, and take care of yourselves and each other, and big SO to you.